Hi, this is Aditya Mishra, and here I am presenting URL Shortener. This is URL Shortener. Here you can paste the link that you want to shorten, and after pasting the link, let me show you the link size. It's very big. So now shorten the URL. On processing, it will give you a shortened URL. You can copy it. After copying, let's see how it's working. You can see it redirected me to the real and long URL content. Here is the original content of the long URL that you got by the shortened URL. Okay, so now we can see it's how many times it got clicked also by going to admin pages. Here you can see this URL got clicked 2 times. Okay, I have checked one more time this URL, and yeah, this was the project by which you can shorten any long URLs and track number of clicks and when it was created also. Thank you.